When we've added data to a story by importing it directly from a file, we can re-import the data to reflect any changes. In this map, for example, we have a bubble layer based on data imported directly into the story, where the red dots represent plant locations. A new plant has been added in southern Oregon. We need to switch to Data mode and open the grid view. From here, we can re-import the data. We can import from a local file or Google Drive. We'll navigate to and select the updated spreadsheet. The source columns are automatically mapped to the columns in the model. If there were unmapped columns, they would appear here so we could click and drag to map them. Once the columns are mapped, we can choose whether to replace the existing data with the contents of the file or to append new rows to the existing data. In this case, the file contains both the new plant location and the existing plant locations, so we'll use the Replace option to avoid creating duplicate records. Now we'll return to data exploration mode to commit the changes. When we return to the page, we can see that the new plant location has been added to the map automatically. Thanks for watching.